Raina Rebel breaks down how this could affect schools across the county.
House Bill 1136 has alarmed education leaders over its impact on local governance, prompting officials to unite in opposition.
We need to stand up as a community and say we don't bargain with our kids. We don't bargain with our families at all. At all.
The bill mandates that if over 50% of students in a district attend non-district schools, the district must be dissolved. This clause would force public schools to convert to charter schools.
The public school district of record, they're responsible for providing special education services to those kids, even if they're in a private school. They're responsible for making sure that all of their records are kept, that we know where those students are at, where they're enrolled in school. They're responsible for that. So if we disband a public school district, how are we going to ensure that we're meeting all of these federal requirements?
This would not only impact IPS, but also districts such as Gary Community Schools, Township Consolidated School in LaPorte County, and others across the state. IPS's Superintendent Dr. Alicia Johnson says this bill will further hinder their efforts to rebuild and support Indianapolis youth.
What will be better for all students? Because surely we don't think the solution is to take resources from one group of children and then give them to another when everybody needs resources to be successful. Surely we believe we can have the courage to go to our state and other leaders and say, no, they all deserve to be supported.
Even neighboring Pike Township board members are questioning the bill. They formed a coalition to oppose the measure.
I do see the state launching a full-scale attack on other institutions. We already have 4 districts that's going to be impacted by this bill. Pike will soon follow. We've had to fight to keep charter schools out of Pike and to stand our grounds, and I anticipate this becoming another fight in the next General Assembly if this bill passes.
They have organized a community meeting for January 23rd for people to voice their concerns.
Even though it's not affecting Pike directly, because it's actually IPS, but it directly affects our students because our students are coming from that district, that area. And when they do, that means it affects the families. And when it affects the families, it affects the community.
Reporting in Indianapolis, I'm Raina Rebel for Wish TV, wishtv.com, or follow us on Facebook for updates.